How to disable WhatsApp calls. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to disable WhatsApp calls. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards particular chat for which you want to disable WhatsApp calls. Tap and hold the particular conversation. Now tap on mute icon at top right corner of the screen next to trash icon. Here, you can simply select the time duration, 8 hours, 1 week or always, and tap OK button. Further, in order to disable WhatsApp calls for everyone, tap and hold WhatsApp. Select I icon. Make sure to toggle the button on for manage notification and navigate to this section. Scroll down and under others, you have to select call notifications. Simply, you need to make sure to deny notification for call notifications. Come back and tap on silent notification and toggle the button off for silent notifications. Once done, you will successfully disable WhatsApp calls. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.